All right, through the miracle of modern science, we are inside the office. You can see I've got the two SD cards. I've already removed them. The one on the right is the 15, on the left is the 35. Let's go to the 35 first and take the SD card out. It's hard for me to do this one-handed. Place it in. The computer recognizes it. So I'm going to open the removable disk. There's our folder created for today. Inside it, you see several files. This .o is that's the file that we use to upload to Rhinet, to Opus. So I open that file, and here's the data over here. Now I haven't looked at this one much. To me, the columns look a little bit jumbled, but there's the header section, and I just opened it with a regular text editor. So we'll leave that file open. I'll go back up here and we will eject that SD card. Let me save this. Tell you what, let me just drag this over to the desktop here. And now I should be able to eject it. I'm going to have to close it. Try again. And it's ejected. All right, I'm going to open. This is the one I just drove to the desktop. So there it is. Now we've ejected, so I'm going to pull out the SD card from the 35. Put it back there. This is the SD card from the 15. It looks a little different. If you look in the data folder, GPS folder, and then the Rhinex folder. That's where you find it. You can see again, it's the same .o. This time I'm going to drag it to the bottom of the desktop here. Now I'll open it. It looks a little different. The data actually looks cleaner to me than the 35. The header information is all legible and fine. You asked me what I did to fix it. So here's going to be hard one-handed. If I delete that space, I'm moving some wires out of the way here so I don't accidentally hit a button. And go each one. Delete. And this was only about 3 minutes worth of data. So you can see how difficult. If I did this for the typical hour that we need, this is a very tedious, time-consuming job. But all I have to do is delete those empty spaces. You get a system down, and you can use two hands, and it doesn't take quite as long, but it's still unnecessary. Makes no difference if I record the data in Carlson or not. It does the same thing. It always looks like this, and all I have to do is go through and delete. Yeah, I just got two more. delete. Now this file won't process with Opus because it's not been sitting for a long enough time. But if it had been collecting for the minimum amount of time, you can see I've got a little glitch here. I didn't quite fix that one right, so I have to add a space back so that they all line up. And submit it. That will submit a solution if it's been recorded or observed for a long enough time, just like the 35. This is the 15, the one I had to edit. This is the 35. I don't know, the data doesn't look as neat to me, but there's something in the commas or something that makes the one out of the 35 Opus will accept. That's the observation file, the header for the 35. And this is the header for the 15. I hope that fixes it.